1033 subscribers in 7 days. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how I was able to get 1033 subscribers in 7 days. And if you have been struggling to get subscribers, you need to actually watch this video all the way from beginning to the end, because all what I'm about to share in this video is a knowledge that you can't get it anywhere apart from this video, because I've tested this particular strategy and it has worked. That's why I'm sharing it here, so that somebody can also use it out there and use it to grow their YouTube channel. So make sure you put all your ears here to listen to what I'm about to say in this video. And more to the point, as you're watching it, make sure you're having a pen and paper and be jotting some things down, so that later on you can go and use it as a reference to start creating the same videos or similar videos like that, and using the same strategy to grow your YouTube channel. So first of all, this particular YouTube channel, I created it long ago, but I was not actually posting videos on this particular channel for some time. And when I started, I posted one particular video. I posted one long form video on the channel, and when I posted that particular long form video on the channel, the video didn't perform well. The video actually didn't get a single view. So I leave that particular video there for some period of time. I was not checking on the channel. So later, fast forward, I went back and I said, okay, I was scrolling through YouTube and I saw a particular niche. That was the Africa folktales niche. So I spot it and I see it. I say, okay, I can do something similar to this, or I can do something like this. So I went back to the channel, rebrand the channel, and the first video that I uploaded on that particular channel, I actually deleted that particular video on the channel. And when I deleted that particular video on the channel, I rebranded the channel and I make another video, long form video. I think it was 8 or 9 minutes long. Actually, I'll check it and post that particular video, the length. I'll put it on the screen. So I make that particular video and post it. So when I make that particular video and post it on the channel, it didn't get a single impression on the video. For up to getting to a month, it didn't get a single impression on that particular video. So I say, okay, what am I going to do now? Because I just want to grow a YouTube channel, but I want a particular niche that is actually working, so that I can use it as like an advantage point to grow this particular channel. So when I do that and I didn't get a single impression on that particular video, I went back to drawing board. That's where I went back to YouTube and I started scrolling on my feed, and I come across one particular YouTube short, and that particular short got a lot of likes. And I said, okay, why is it that this particular person is able to get this number of likes? Actually, the likes was actually 1,000,000 likes. So I click on that particular person's profile, and when I opened that particular person was actually posting YouTube short. I see there is something there. So the person was actually posting YouTube short on the channel. So the next thing that I do is that I just leave that particular like the videos, and I click on the channel description, and I see that that particular person actually created the channel 2 months ago, and he was able to accumulate 100 million views on his videos, and he posted about 500 videos in 2 months. As I look at it, I say, how is it that he's able to do all this on his channel? So after I realized that, I went back to the videos, and I was now actually going through the videos one after the other, and I see that the videos was actually getting not much views that way, but it was getting like 5,000, 6,000 kind of views. Most of the videos was getting those kind of views, and that person was actually able to hit this number of views and number of subscribers. The subscriber was also actually high. Actually, I can't recall the subscribers, but the subscribers was also very high. And I told myself, I can also do something similar to this, but I wanted something that was actually easy to do, and that particular niche was actually within that, because the kind of videos that they were making, it was actually easy to make. It can take you less than 10 minutes to make that particular YouTube short. And I say, okay, this is a good thing that I can also do. And the next thing that I do is that I look at the time that they normally post their videos. When I look at the time that they normally post their videos, they make sure that every 2 to 3 hours there is a video live on the channel. And I say, okay, that's a good strategy. And I went and rebrand my channel, and after I rebrand my channel, actually I didn't change the channel name. I just leave the channel name that way, it was only the description of the channel that I just changed some things. And after that, even the profile picture of that particular channel, I didn't change it. I just leave it that way. And the next thing that I do is that I also started to create short. And the first day I actually posted, I think it was about 5 short that I posted on the first day on the channel. And when I posted the first 5 short on the channel, one of the short get 3,000 views, and I see that it was a win for the channel. Leaving the long form video, actually I didn't delete the long form video till now. The long form video is still there. It's not actually getting view. It actually got only 1 view, but I think it's a win. So it actually got 1 view, but it's a win that it has gotten 1 view like that. And the first day I posted 5 videos, and one particular video took off, and that one was able to get 3,000 views. The other ones, 2 of them was actually able to get 500 plus views. And the next day I posted 4 videos, and I just continued posting that way. And I think that was on the 4th day I posted 5 videos, and out of the 5 videos, one particular video took off immediately, and it was actually able to get 1,000 views. That particular video was able to get 1,000 views within 24 hours. And within 7 days period, that particular video was actually accumulating like 900,000 views. And actually most of my subscribers come from that particular video, and that was how I was actually able to get 1,033 subscribers in 7 days. And I think that if you continue to do this way as a beginning or small YouTuber, you are actually going to get a similar results like this. And more to the point, don't just be posting any random things. Make sure you see a strategy that is working, and you replicate the same process to be able to get some number of traction on your channel. And more to the point, many people, they will just like when they post first, second and third or fourth, or they post about 5 to 10 videos and they didn't get any results, they just give up immediately. And on YouTube, you need to be consistent to be able to get a good number of views on your videos and a good number of subscribers. So make sure when you post at least 5 to 10 or even 20 videos and you are starting out and you didn't get any results, don't give up, because at that moment YouTube doesn't have like any details about your channel. Your channel is actually new, or you are just new to the system. You don't know how it is working. That's why you're not getting views on your channel. But if you continue to do it repeatedly all the time, you know, when you continue to do something over and over again, you're going to become a master of it. And that's how you're going to start to get the views and the subscribers that you want for your channel. And as for now, back to the channel. As for now, I'm actually posting YouTube short on the channel, and the channel is actually getting good number of views. I will not say it's bad. It's able to get like 1,000 views per 60 minutes. Every 60 minutes is able to get 1,000 views. That means every 1 hour is able to get 1,000 views plus, which is a win for the channel. And more to the point, I will continue to post on the channel to see within 90 days if I can be able to monetize the channel. For the subscribers threshold, it has reached the subscribers threshold. I think it's now sitting at 1,203 subscribers for now. It has reached the subscribers threshold, but the short views, which is 10 million views, it has not actually reached yet. But the channel is sitting at 1.1 million views, which is a good number of views for a channel within 28 days. I take the channel serious within 28 days, and it is able to accumulate this number of views. So it's a win. I'll say it's a win for me. And more to the point, don't give up on your channel. If you start and you say you want to actually take your channel serious, trust me, you're going to actually see success on your channel. Everything is about consistency. Make sure you post all the time or every day if you can do that on your channel. And this was how I was able to get 1,033 subscribers within 28 days, sorry, within 7 days. And make sure you are subscribing to the channel to be getting more updates like this. And I'll see you tomorrow for another tips like this. Bye bye for now. Peace out.